Hello everyone! Today we will be learning the basics of Tinkercad. Tinkercad is a program that allows you to create 3D models. This website is great if you're looking to get into 3D modeling. It's free and easy to use, and you can make some pretty cool designs with it. To get started, we're going to go to tinkercad.com, and from here we have the option to create 3D designs, circuits, or code blocks. Today we're going to be working with 3D designs though. To get started, just click Create New Design. From here, we have all these options for shapes, including Scribble, which allows us to draw out our shape, and text, where you can type out a word. It's important to view your model from all angles. To do this, we're just going to rotate this cube in the corner. We can also zoom in and out with these buttons and go back to the home view. If you make a mistake, you can use the undo and redo buttons or the trash button to completely erase a shape. These buttons up here let us hide, group, and ungroup shapes. The ruler tool helps to measure size and distance, and with the notes tool, we can add comments to our shapes. Now I'm just going to make a quick design and give it a name. Here you can see your design as if it were Minecraft blocks and Lego blocks, which is a fun feature. Tinkercad automatically saves your design, then we can send it out or export it to a 3D printer. If we go back to the home page, we can see all of our designs we have made, and you can edit them if you want to make any changes. And that concludes the basics of Tinkercad. Have fun designing, and be sure to like, subscribe, and follow us on Instagram and TikTok.